This is garbage.
You have holes in your shirt. Yeah. My arms are getting really tired.
Arms are tired?
Yes.
Oh, well, I got it. So now you can take a break. Look at that. Ew. Look how rusty that is. Look at this.
Hey, Dad, look.
Yeah. Okay, shine it up here. Alright, clean the rust off that, and then I gotta get this piece out of there. There it went. So in case you were wondering, it's a kind of a rectangle shape. I don't know what kind of shape that's called. Alright, so we'll just make a new post that fits in there. And here's a finished stud that I made out of that bolt. Just stuck it in this side, welded it up. Ground it mostly smooth enough to get the glass in there and the seal in there. But it's on there pretty solid. Turned out pretty good. I think I'd rather just take this off. Whoa, jeez. Came off easier than I thought. Okay. All right. Got a lot of problems around the edges, but still pretty good overall. Alright, these are in there. The ones I cut off when I took it off. I'll paint this metal so it doesn't rust. Put a piece of window in there and call it good. This back in there. To it. Let's see if it closes. Look at that. Okay, so a quick breakdown of what I got left on funds, or at least my goal anyway. The extra money that I had left over here, the $200, that's almost gone. I've been spending that on basically tools and paint. I just bought some more rust encapsulator paint for from Eastwood and some random bits. Spent a little bit of money on some little metal pieces and random things. Yeah, so anyways, I'm almost down to, I don't know, I would say like $1,000 left around about for the whole budget, which is fine. I mean, if I go over, I go over, but the goal is to try to keep it as close to 5,000 overall as possible. And definitely working on things, fixing things has saved a lot of money. For instance, those door strikers I want I repaired, those are like $30 each. So being able to reuse those two strikers has saved me, you know, $120 basically. Then the door handles, I'm working on that right now. That's gonna be in the next video. I already started that, but it's gonna turn out pretty good, I think. But that'll be in the next video. I want to kind of separate the windows and the door handle. But those are anywhere from $90 to $150 for a new set of the springs and the handle trigger mechanism. The average I found was $120, but there's people selling them on eBay for like $500 more for a door handle. It's ridiculous. So, you know, just being able to fix things with what I got laying around has definitely saved a lot of money. Like this, making this own post for, I had to go buy a bolt because I didn't have a bolt big enough for it. I mean, that cost me like 40 cents or something, rather than spending $40 to order a new post to go right in here. So it's just things like that that has definitely saved me a ton of money. I mean, I could have easily just on this and my door handles spent $500 just buying bits online or out of catalogs and stuff. But just using what I have laying around here and a couple, you know, tiny bits that just cost pennies at the store. Yeah, that's kind of where I'm at in the budget. I foresee myself going over once I get to. I still have to build exhaust and everything, but that's after the motor gets put on. So this is. I'm sure this won't last much longer, but yeah, that's kind of where I'm at right now. The other piece of glass that I had cracked earlier, I cleaned that off as well, or was cleaning it, till it slipped out of my hand and hit the concrete. And now I got another crack in it. But this crack goes into both sides. This one is on this side. This big crack is on this glass. So you see there's two on this one as well. So I was going to try to reuse this and just run it with this crack on the one pane, or the one piece of glass. And now that that's there, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm pretty sad about that. I'm not gonna lie, it knocked the wind out of my sails pretty bad when I dropped it and put more cracks in it. So this window might just be a lost cause. I guess the bright side is I didn't drop the other window that I just cleaned and is in good shape, and have two broken ones. So anyways, we'll keep an eye out for maybe a window that I can find on sale somewhere. It's gonna be a while before I need to put windows back in the truck anyway, so I got time to figure it out. Anyways, thanks for watching.
Tumbleweed Garage.